Well, 23 years is a long time to serve as a university president, and I don't know that there is any way of cataloging the factors and developments that made that possible. But one would be that I didn't want to leave this university. So I became an administrator by accident. You know, it was just the president happened to be fired, and the board at the time, which had fired quite a few higher level administrators, decided to turn over the task of selecting an interim president to the campus, and a group of, 26, 27 people got together representing assorted constituencies. It was kind of like a papal selection process. Folks were expecting a puff of smoke to go up. But it turned out the group said me, mainly because I think I'd had legislative experience, political experience, and we would be coming up on a legislative session, and so I got the job. There are many big problems, and which is why it's a hard job, which is why it takes skin off the hide of people who serve in it. But there are harder jobs. I have to drive by it once every week or two just to make sure the name is still there. It was such a shock when I received the news that the students were making that recommendation to the president, my successor, and that he was making it to the board. I had a difficult time believing that it was happening. I could think of no higher honor than that, and so I've gotten over the shock. I am in this building frequently. I'm delighted to see the level of activity in the building. It's a very special place, and so while I am not sure that I deserve this kind of honor, I am most appreciative, humbly appreciative of it.